ask for you to remember those days, these days, nowadays. Do you occasionally knit your brows in the presence of some cases? You need to be skeptical enough for you to think of the pith of justice. When you experience some concrete matters in your daily life, do you have custom to philosophize about the pith of justice? Simply speaking, when you experience some matters in your daily life, do you have any questions? Is it really right? Is it really right? Or am I doing some sort of evil? All the time, it is very fundamental for you to think of the classification of the two, good and evil, especially when you take action. You need to philosophize very much seriously the pith of justice through thinking and balancing the two, good and evil. What is that the concept of justice? How do you phrase the concept of injustice? Do you have custom to think of the two, justice and injustice? In your brain, otherwise in your heart, do you have some sort of imagination of a balance scale to balance some matters? Is this right? Is this right? Or it seems like it is wrong. This is very much fundamental for you to experience so. To live well is not that easy. To live well, I'd like you to philosophize how you live according to justice. Totally speaking, the quintessence of justice graces the quality of life all the time. I assume that I am entitled to finish the lecture now.